Hey guys, Kelly here with Bodyworks. So today we're going to be doing a gentle yoga. This will be a quick yoga. It's great if you just need something gentle in your life, or maybe you just want to relax before bed. So go ahead and grab something comfy. You can use a mat, or you can just use the floor or your bed. We're going to start by closing our eyes and taking a couple deep breaths, and I'm going to play the singing bowl for you a little bit. Okay, so closing our eyes, sitting up nice and tall, relaxing those shoulders down away from the ears. And begin inhaling and exhaling through the nose. Keep breathing, allowing any stress or tension to melt away. Couple more breaths. Breathing into any discomfort you might be feeling sitting here. Breathing into those areas, and on the exhale, letting that tension or that discomfort go. One more deep cleansing breath. And exhaling. And when you're ready, you can go ahead and blink your eyes open and we'll get started. So we're going to start seated. You can either be sitting up on a block like I am. This helps with my knees. Or you can sit on a bolster, a pillow, or flat on the floor. Either or. Okay? So sitting up nice and tall, we're just going to inhale the arms up. And exhale down. And again, inhaling up. Exhaling down. A couple more of these, just bringing some blood flow to the upper body, getting our breath moving. And last one, we're going to stay up, and then we're going to take the right arm up and over. So really stretching out the side body, lifting before you're leaning, and just breathing. Try to open up the chest a little bit towards the ceiling, so you're bringing that shoulder towards the back here. Breathing freely, and then we'll inhale and come back up. And then exhale to the other side. So left arm's coming up, 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 and over. Really reaching, opening that side body. Allowing your breath to flow freely. Opening up the chest just a little bit towards the ceiling, or pulling that shoulder back. And then on your next inhale, you can come back up and exhale down. Good. This time we're going to inhale the arms up, and we're going to exhale, and we're going to bring those elbows towards our back. So we're coming down, but we're really opening the chest, opening the shoulders, breathing here. We're going to inhale up and exhale down, opening up. One more time, inhale up and exhale down. Good, and relaxing the arms down. We're going to stretch out the neck. So we're just going to take our left ear towards our left shoulder. So we're going to take our right fingertips down towards our mat or floor, and then left ear, just lean over. Make sure you're just leaning the head, not the whole body. You can put your hand out beside you, or if that's uncomfortable, you can tuck your arm behind your low back. This just keeps you from raising that shoulder up towards the ear. And breathing here. And now staying here, I want you to just tilt your nose up towards the sky just a little bit. This just opens the front of the neck a little bit more. 2 more breaths here. then come back to center. And we'll switch sides. So go ahead and take those left fingertips down, right ear, right shoulder. And just lean the head over, breathing into the side of the neck. We use our necks so much during the day. It's really important to take some time to stretch them out. So now we'll tilt that nose towards the sky a little bit. Couple more breaths. And then coming back to center. All right, so if you're sitting on your block, you can move that or you can stay on it. It's up to you. We're going to take the legs out wide. So nice and wide legs. So if you're doing this in the evening, you're probably not very warmed up. So you really want to just do an easy stretch. Try not to take your nose to the floor unless you're super bendy, flexy. So we want to keep all 10 toes up towards the ceiling and we're just leaning forward. You want to keep a nice straight back. If this is not accessible to you, you can sit on the block and that helps rotate your hips forward a little bit so you'll be able to stretch. So just breathing here, opening up the inner legs. And so we're going to stay here for a few more breaths. On your inhale, I want you to really breathe deeply, and on your exhale, I want you to reach a little bit further each time, even if it's just like 1/4 of an inch. So inhaling deep and exhaling. Two more breaths. And then slowly coming back to center. We're going to bring our right foot in and we're going to lean out over our left leg. So if you can't grab your foot or your ankle, you can always just lean over, grab whatever you can. And just breathe here. Find your breath. Listen to your breath. That's also very calming. Listening to the sound of your breath or your heartbeat. It just makes you be present with your body. So we'll take 2 more breaths here. And then we'll come up slowly and switch sides. So again, leaning out over the legs. So we'll be leaning out over the right leg. Grab whatever you can to help anchor you. And again, find your breath. If it feels comfortable, you can close your eyes. And just relax into this pose. One more breath here. And then we'll come back up into center. So from here, we're just going to do a real easy twist. So there's a couple options here. Option 1 is just to sit cross-legged, and you're just going to be twisting to one side and then the other. If you want to cross your right leg over your left, you can do it that way and kind of hug the knee. Or if you're more flexible, you can even take your elbow on the outside of the knee and twist that way. Okay, so pick whichever one works best for you. Now you want to remember if your knee is crossed that you're going the opposite way. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. If you're crossing your leg, cross your right leg over your left. Sit up nice and tall and just really hug that knee in and twist to the right. So if you're sitting cross-legged, you're just twisting over to your right side. So breathing here. twists are always so good, not only stretching, but they bring fresh oxygen to our internal organs. And we'll come back to center and come to the other side. So again, you can just twist, or you take the left leg over and just hug that left knee in. So we're turning our whole body to the left. Sitting up nice and tall and finding your breath. Last breath here. And coming back to center. And sitting nice and comfy. And we're just going to go ahead and end our practice. So we're going to take our hands heart center and we're going to find our breath. So stay with me just for a few more minutes. This is all about being gentle with ourselves. And we want to find our breath, inhaling and exhaling. So you can have your hands prayer position, heart center, or you can just take your hands and put them over your chest. Whatever is best for you. And now we're going to inhale, and if it's comfortable, you're going to pause. And then exhale and pause. And work with that for a few breaths. Inhaling and pause. And exhaling and pause. Keep doing this. If this is uncomfortable, just breathe slow and steady. And now taking the pause out and just breathing in through the nose, out through the nose. And now we're going to inhale a little deeper and then exhale a little fuller. One more time. Inhale and exhale. And then go ahead and bow your chin towards your fingertips or your chest. And thank yourself for taking some time to connect with your body, connect with your breath, and just to find a gentle practice with me today. So when you're ready, you can go ahead and blink your eyes and slowly bring your head back up. And this is where we'll end our gentle yoga. So namaste. Thanks for practicing with me today. Take care.